Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to place a limit order trade on cTrader. So first of all, we're just going to go and just choose any of these currencies. I'm just going to choose GBP, press on that one, then you're going to go on the top and go into orders and it will be empty. So then just going to press on the button in the top bottom right corner, and then we're going to choose a limit at the top. We're going to choose sell or buy. I'm just going to choose buy. Then you can choose your quantity of lots. You can choose your entry price, expiry. You can choose the take profit option or the stop loss option. And then once you have configured all of that, you're just going to place an order. Once that is done, that is basically your trade order put in the system. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.